The updated Mercedes S450d diesel sedan of 2026 surprised with incredible fuel efficiency. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class has always been a symbol of absolute excellence in the world of premium sedans, and the updated S450d 2026 continues this glorious tradition, representing the pinnacle of engineering excellence and innovative solutions. This flagship diesel sedan of the W223 series demonstrates that in the era of electrification, the classic turbodiesel is still able to offer a unique combination of power, economy, and durability that attracts the most demanding luxury car owners around the world. The heart of this sedan is the OM656 3-liter inline 6-cylinder turbodiesel, equipped with the innovative EQ Boost mild hybrid system. This engine develops an impressive 367 horsepower, to which is added another 20 horsepower from the integrated electric motor during sharp accelerations. However, the true power of this unit is shown in the torque, which reaches a monumental 750 Newton-meters in the RPM range from 1350 to 2800 RPM. These characteristics provide the sedan with the ability to accelerate from 0 speed to 100 km per hour in an impressive 5.1 seconds, although the electronics limit the maximum speed to 250 km per hour to maintain safety and stability. The most striking characteristic of the S450d is its incredible fuel efficiency. In a mixed cycle, this full-length sedan with a length of more than 5 meters consumes only 6.2 to 6.9 liters of diesel fuel per 100 kilometers. For a car of this size and power, this achievement borders on the miracle of engineering. Thanks to the 65-liter fuel tank, the car is able to cover distances exceeding 1,000 kilometers without having to stop for refueling. This makes the S450d an ideal choice for entrepreneurs and executives who spend a lot of time on the road, making business trips across countries. The transmission equipment is a 9-speed 9G-tronic automatic transmission, which is renowned for its smooth shifting and ability to adapt to different driving conditions. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system with intelligent torque distribution between axles ensures optimal grip in all climatic conditions, from snowy alpine passes to humid European motorways. The S450d chassis includes a new generation of air suspension combined with a full rear-wheel control system that dramatically transforms the behavior of such a large sedan. Despite the impressive size of the body, the car demonstrates maneuverability comparable to more compact models. The air suspension provides an unsurpassed smooth ride, isolating the interior from any vibrations and bumps of the roadway, giving passengers the impression of floating movement through space. The interior of the S450d is designed in the spirit of absolute luxury and elegance. The main screen of the MBUX multimedia system is a portrait OLED display with stunning clarity and color saturation. The system is complemented by an innovative augmented reality projection display that overlays digital information directly onto the windshield, allowing the driver to keep their eyes on the road while receiving navigation data and other important information. Electronic assistance, including predictive adaptive cruise control, automatic parking, and a variety of security systems, work in harmony, giving the driver full control or, if desired, transferring responsibilities to the car. The interior trim materials are selected with the same care as the components of the watch movements of Swiss luxury brands. Genuine leather, rare wood, aluminum, and high-tech textiles create an atmosphere of exceptional taste and prosperity. The front seats are equipped with an advanced massage system that not only relaxes the muscles after long hours of driving, but also stimulates blood circulation to prevent fatigue. Multi-zone climate control allows each passenger to set their own microclimate temperature in their cabin area. The premium speaker system delivers crystal-clear sound, turning the car into a mobile concert hall. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S450d is not just a car, it's a travel philosophy embodied in steel, leather, and cutting-edge technology. It's the choice of those who appreciate the long history of Mercedes-Benz excellence and understand that true luxury is measured not only in engine power, but in every detail that surrounds the driver and passengers on the way. The price of the car in Europe is €110,000 to €140,000, depending on the configuration. How do you like the car?